This is Patrick Devine for Ed Cawthorn's Data Structures and Algorithms class, and this week we're working on the hash function in Python. So we had to generate a list of prime numbers through 50, and then hash this value or hash the integers. So what I did here is I found a really quick couple lines of code to get the primes. And what this does is it creates a variable which is set going through the range up to 50. And what this does is it finds all the numbers that are not prime numbers, 1 through 50. So then it's pretty simple. All you have to do is some list comprehension right here and go through the list to find the primes. So if the number is not in the no primes list, then it's a prime number, and therefore it'll be part of our primes variable. So I just did this to make sure that this worked correctly and printed the primes, and it did. And then the next issue that I ran into is that what this did is it saved the primes to a list, and you can't hash a list because a list is mutable. So in order to make something that is immutable that we can hash, I created a simple function right here that converts your list to a tuple and returns that list as a tuple. But just converting it isn't going to save that. So not only did I need to make the function to convert, but I needed to create a new variable and set it equal to the list of primes converted to a tuple. And then down here, use the hash function to convert to a hash value. And down here, just for the sake of taking advantage of the numbers being sorted into two lists, I figured I would hash that as well to see the difference. So I'm gonna run this and show you what happens. So here we says these are the prime numbers up to 50, and you have a list of all the primes. Now the tuple hash for the primes is -1538, so on, and the hash value for all the non-primes up to 50 is 209 whatever. So here we go. That's it for this week, and I'm gonna cut this video. Thank you.